Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Amina, you've been glued to your phone for the last 10 minutes. What's up?
I'm just looking at all these success stories of women running their businesses, launching brands, building empires, and here I am stuck. I want to start my own clothing line, but everyone keeps saying it's too risky or business isn't for women.
Seriously? Who's saying that? It's 2025, not the Stone Age.
You'd be surprised, Sarah. It's like every time a woman tries to do something different, there's always someone ready to pull her down.
You know, Amina, there was a woman who faced all that and more, yet she built the most successful business empire of her time. And guess what? She did it over 1,400 years ago.
Wait, who are you talking about?
Lady Khadija, the most powerful businesswoman in Mecca. Khadija wasn't just a businesswoman, she was the businesswoman of Mecca. She owned caravans that traded across Arabia. But here's the best part. She did it with integrity. She only trusted honest, hard-working people to handle her business. She had been searching for someone truly trustworthy to manage her trade. That's when she heard about a young man called Muhammad Amin, known for his honesty and integrity. She didn't hesitate. She hired him and sent him on a trade mission to Syria. The journey was a massive success, not just in profit, but in trust. She saw in him something rare: purity, honesty, and strength of character. That's when she knew he was different.
Wait, so it was Lady Khadija who proposed to the Prophet, not the other way around?
Exactly. She saw his worth, not just his status or wealth. She broke the norms and took the first step. And their marriage? It was full of love, partnership, and sacrifice. But her story doesn't stop there. When Prophet Muhammad received his first revelation, he was overwhelmed. And guess who was the first person to believe in him?
Lady Khadija?
Yes, she was the first believer, the first to stand by him. She didn't just support him emotionally, she gave everything she had. Her wealth, her home, her influence, all for Islam. Even when people boycotted them, leaving them starving in the valley of Abu Talib, she stood firm.
She really gave everything, didn't she?
Yes, and do you know what her greatest legacy was? She became the mother of Lady Fatima, the leader of all women in paradise. And through her, the lineage of the Imams was established. She wasn't just a wife, she was the backbone of Islam's early days.
I never realized how powerful Lady Khadija was. She wasn't just a businesswoman, she was a believer, a leader, a trailblazer. And she made it all happen despite what society thought.
Exactly. So tell me, Amina, if Lady Khadija could run a business, challenge norms, and change history, what's stopping you from starting yours?
You're right. It's time to stop listening to doubts and start listening to inspiration.